Today in this session we will be learning how a web programming based program how you can execute. Okay, so the first and the most step which you have to do is you have to go to the start option which is present here. You can check out for the start option. From that start option you have an option in between, that is notepad. You have to click on that particular option. Okay, next step what you have to do is you can check out with the notepad which is available on the screen. In the systems which you are using in the college, you may be having the notepad plus plus that can be used. Okay, so since my system has notepad, I'll be using this notepad concept. So you have to click on the notepad, then you will be visible with this kind of a format. Okay, here you can check out for the various options which are being here. You have file, edit, format, view, help. How in Word also you have various options. Here also you have the various options. Okay, you have file. So if you want to save a file, then you have to go to the file option, and there you will be having different kinds of options to save it. Okay, so this way the notepad will get opened. Then next step is you have to write any of the program. Already I have given few examples, you can check out with those examples. So here also I have considered one simple example. The simple example, what does it say is in the beginning, you have the in the beginning you have the doc type which is being present, that is doc type HTML. It is being typed. The document type which you are using, it is of type HTML, which means okay. Then you have to open the tag HTML. Then you have the head is nothing but heading. I want to give a heading, then I give a heading through the help of the title, that is horizontal rule. Okay, horizontal rule is nothing but after each and every line I will be getting with a separate line printed under the line. Okay, on each and every line next to that line a line will be presented, that is nothing but a horizontal line which is said to be present. Okay, then you have head which is being closed. Then in the body part you have the paragraph. So this is your paragraph which is being written, and you have the HR slash is nothing but after this particular line a horizontal line it will be placed. Okay, first, then next line which will be printed, and once again a horizontal line, then next line horizontal line, next line horizontal line. Then you have the option of paragraph which is being closed here, that is slash p. Then slash body, you close your body which is being started in the beginning. Then you have the HTML at the end, only the HTML it will be closed, not earlier. HTML has to be closed after the whole document is being ended. Okay, so this is a simple program where you are said to be just printing the lines, and a horizontal line it will be placed after the line. Okay, using the HR tag. Okay, then how to save a file, you have to go to, as I said, you have to go to the file option. In that file you have to go to the save option. In that save option you can check out how it is being saved. How it is being saved is you are giving a program name, whichever it is you are giving it. I have given it as program1.html. So the extension HTML is important to save your file. Remember that. And your file you can save it on either the desktop or you can save it on your D drive. Okay, on the in the D drive you have to go to the D drive option which will be present here over down, or you can check out with here you will be having the D drive. There you can go to D drive, create a folder of your own. You all know, right click and create the folder, new folder. Then after creating the new folder, in that folder you can save your particular file that way, or you can save it on the desktop. I have saved it on the desktop. Okay, so next step, after saving it on the desktop, you can check out where the file is set to be present. You can check out here your file is being presented with the browser format. The browser which is being used here is Internet Explorer. Through the Internet Explorer you can check out with the file name which is being saved. Okay, so here browser is Internet Explorer. In your systems it may be Chrome or any file, so that it will be considered there. So you have a program one, that particular file is there. When you go to that, click on that particular option. So when you click on that particular option you can check out like this, output is being presented on the Internet Explorer browser, or it may be a Chrome or any other browser, but this way the output it will be presented on the screen. You have the line, first line After that you have a horizontal line, then second line horizontal line, third line horizontal line, fourth line and a horizontal. Okay, this way you have to execute your program. It may be on the system. Okay, this way you have to execute on the system, but now I'll be teaching you how to execute in your mobile. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so how to execute on your mobile is, this is the way which I have teached you in the system. Now let's check out how you have to execute your program in the mobile. So what you have to do is, I'll just close it. Okay, everything I'll close. Okay, whatever I have opened I'll be closing. On my screen, you can check out here. On my screen I have an option called as Notepad++. Okay, main thing is that you have to download the Notepad option. Okay, you have to download that particular option through the Play Store or through Google, wherever you want. You have to download the Notepad++. Okay, so click on that. So it may take time to open for the first time. Second time it opens up fast. So it may take time. It will open now. Okay, whatever ad will come, you close that particular ad. Okay, you have to close that particular ad. After closing the Notepad, then what happens is you will be opened with different kinds of files here. Okay, already I have created few files. It will be presented here. Then if you want to create one new one, then you have to click the new option. You have to save with any of the file names here. Okay, where you have to save is, you have to save here with certain file name. What a file name it is there, you have to save with that particular file name and give the option save. Okay, afterwards, otherwise if you want to open, since I have already done a program, I'll move to that particular file which I have already created. Either you can go to this option, it is either open a file, or directly it is said to be presented here. So I'll click on that particular file. So this file you have to type it in the Notepad. Okay, you can type it. You just click on that particular file and you can type it. Otherwise, if you want to open up earlier file, just use the open option, or it will be displayed in front of you. Like this, the file it will be presented in front of you. You write the code, whatever it is. So here a code is being presented here. Same concept, horizontal lines. Okay, after each and every line, a horizontal line is being printed in the beginning. The same thing, whatever I said, it is said to be present. Okay, after that, after typing everything, what you have to do is just use this play option. It is present here. You have to use this play option. Okay, when you click on this play option on your browser, which is said to be present in your mobile, you can check out the output. It will be printed here. This is the output which is there. It will be printed. It has, this is heading 1, then heading 2, and various other text it is there. It will be printed on the screen. Like this, it will be presenting with the output. So today I have shown you both way how to execute your programs. It may be in a system or in a mobile you can execute your programs. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, thank you.